Cali is my home, truly tied to my dome. Fuck it, ain't wrong though, but we got. What's up, guys? It's your boy Zambi here, coming at you with a Threadbeast unboxing video. So, this is my very first video, and for those of you that don't know Threadbeast, it's like an upcoming company with branded names. I don't know, Primitive, Nike, Adidas, Champion, just things like that. Not too big of brands, but yeah. So this is the $135 box, and let's get right to it. Let's see what I got. Alright, so first off, we got a Threadbeast that says, oh, it's a free package giveaway. How to get it. Preview of next month's package. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you first open it. It's kind of like wrapped in black. So let's start with the accessories first. Alright, so I got a history hat. History. Probably won't be wearing that. No. Looks like a bear's, I don't know. Alright. For my other accessory, I got a, looks like boxers, PSD. Not sure what that is. Alright, so let's see right here. I got some shorts. It's not too bad. I think I'd wear these. Looks like knee length. Hopefully they're not too long. Put those right there. And then I got some jeans, some black jeans. Looks like they're DC jeans. So alright. Next item we got is flannel. I don't know if I'll be wearing that. I don't know if I'll be wearing that. Alright, the next item I got is diamond. Not sure if I'll be wearing that. And then last package we got is or last item, a Huff shirt. Just don't even got a tag on it. I don't know, man. I asked for Champion items because they message you, you know, see what kind of style you like. And I said, I want a Champion. I like Champion, I like Nike, I like Adidas. I didn't get any of them. So that's about it. And a Threadbeast sticker. Alright guys, so overall, I personally did not like this. I don't know what to say. I didn't get anything that I requested for. Yeah. So, yeah, for those of you that don't know about Threadbeast, if you guys like those type of brands, this is, you know, it's what to expect and whatnot. Yeah, if you dig these brands, then yeah, this is the perfect box for you. You got the Huff shirt, you got flannels, jeans. I think the only things I liked were the jeans and the shorts. If you like diamond, that comes with it too. I think the next package I'm gonna order is a Supreme. So you know, give a like for this video if you know, if you liked it, or subscribe if you know you want to see this next week's video for a Supreme unboxing. Definitely gonna be a step up, hopefully. Definitely gonna be more pricier. But yeah, that's Threadbeast for you. So it's up for you guys to decide if you know, if you want to purchase from them. But alright, Zambi out. Peace. Truly lit, yeah, y'all came to vacay while I'm chilling by the bay.